You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to turn off live activities on your iPhone. Live activities are persistent notifications from apps like Uber or Sports that appear on your lock screen and dynamic island. To manage them globally, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Notifications at the very bottom of the notifications. Settings, you will see an option labeled Live Activities. Tap on it. Here, you can toggle the main switch for allow live activities to the off position. This will disable all live activities across your iPhone. You can also manage them on a per app basis. Go back to the main notifications settings, find and tap on the specific app for which you want to disable live activities, such as Uber or ESPN. Inside that app's notification settings, look for the option that says Allow Live Activities and toggle it off. This stops that particular app from using the feature while leaving it on for others. If you want to stop a currently active live activity, you can swipe it away on your lock screen, or if it is in the dynamic island, press and hold it and tap the X to close it. This gives you fine control over which real-time updates appear on your screen. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.